Finally, it was time to relax. Everything was perfect. Until I realized one small problem. I didn't have a bottle opener. So instead of relaxing, I had to get up, walk back home and 3D print one. And honestly, it wasn't the fastest solution or the practical one, but at least it gave me an excuse to 3D print something. I actually 3D printed 10 different bottle openers, starting with a simple fully 3D printed one and ending with an insane bottle opening mortar. Fully 3D printed bottle opener with tool for twist offs. Grey one is printed with PLA and orange one is PTG. I like the look. It also has eyelet for keyring, so it can be used as keychain. It can be used to break bottle open. Opening one bottle damaged the edge a little bit, so based on that I don't think it will last long. But if it breaks, you can print new one. It takes less than half hour and less than 8 grams of filament. I didn't have any twist off cap bottles to try it, but it seems to fit nicely. Also fully 3D printed bottle opener, but this one can be used as bottle cap also. Opener is quite small, so you can't get a good grip. I can use my thumb to push it open. You need to apply quite much force to open it, so it's maybe not a good option for everybody. It can be used to open bottles, but as the other fully 3D printed openers, how long it lasts is a question. About the cap, it snaps into place very nicely, it stays on firmly. I printed the bear mark design. It takes more time and filament, but looks great. Bottle cap shape is also looking nice. 360 opener can be used from any direction, no need to spend time aligning the opener. Fits nicely in hand and no need to use much force. About the durability, it's also fully 3D printed, so there is a chance to break between the layer lines. I printed two versions. Black one is PLA carbon fiber coinless and blue is PTG with coin. I like the overall shape and hexagon design, looks great also. This one I did print it without top and bottom layers. Infill is cross hatch. Plastic is soft, so metal bottle caps can quickly wear down the opener. That's why coins are added. The cap contacts the metal coin instead of the plastic edge. Using coins is a clever way to reinforce the opener, but this design has a weak point. Opening a bottle puts a lot of stress on the coin insert, and once the glue starts to fail, the surrounding plastic can start to crack and eventually break. The magnet helps position the opener on the cap and it's supposed to stop the cap from flying away, but it still happened. I did try it again and magnet holded caps in place fine. Small pocket size bottle opener that can be used as keychain. You can add two magnets, one to catch the cap and the other to hold the bottle opener on metal surface like fridge. Bottle opened, cap catched, seems to work fine, feels good in hand and quite easy to open, but the edge got damaged, so I don't think it will last long. Bottle opener with cap catcher, fully 3D printed, bottle opener written on the top, and place for caps. You can add magnet stripes on the back, so you can put it on the fridge, but you need to have strong magnets. Mine are too weak and can't hold the weight. Bottle opened, cap falls inside the catcher. And as the other fully 3D printed openers, there are some damage from the first opening. Some washers or coin will be good for the durability. I like the design, maybe some screw holes would be nice to have. Peer counter bottle opener is more advanced model that takes more time to print and the assembly is also needed. You also need rubber band, 5-cent coin and 2 pen springs. No screws or glue needed. It comes with wall holder that can be screwed on the wall. The opener itself can be slid into the holder and it can be also locked from the top. Now you can keep an eye on the pair count. It feels quite sturdy and it looks great. I also like the design on the sides. Assembly is pretty simple, you only need a few screws and a single rubber band. Printed without issues and all the parts fit together very well. The size is on the bigger side, different designs available. On the top is bottle cap looking symbol. Using it is simple, just push it down and cap will be removed. Before we jump back into the prints, I want to thank PCBWay for sponsoring this video. Most people know them for their professional PCB prototyping and assembly, but they also offer a wide range of manufacturing services like CNC machining, sheet metal fabrication, injection molding, and even 3D printing. So if you want to bring your design to life, whether it's electronics, custom enclosure, or parts you can't easily print at home, PCBWay is a great option. This gun-shaped opener can both open bottles and launch the caps afterwards. Assemble requires a few screws, magnets, coins and spring. First you need to arm the gun. Then open the bottle. Magnets will hold the cap in place. And push the trigger to shoot. Something went wrong. The cap didn't shoot out from the barrel and also on magnet left with the cap. It seems to be my fault, I didn't apply enough glue. I tried again and it worked. The problem I did have was caused by the wrong size spring. I didn't have right size spring, so I used bigger spring that didn't let the cap sit at the right place. That's why it shot out from the bottom. Sometimes the trigger didn't want to work. Shooting power depends on the spring length and stiffness. One-hand bottle cap shooter is 4-part model, printed fast without problems and assembly is very easy. Using it is also easy and fun, I really like the design. I printed the right hand version, but you can also print left one. This opener is not suitable for every bottle. 2 versions are available, which should fit most used bottles. It's printed with PLA, if the trigger fails, it's easy to print new one. At this point, we have completely stopped making normal bottle openers. The last most interesting opener that took most time and filament is the Mortar shaped bottle opener. The first 2 attempts didn't go very well, I just couldn't get the bottle open. Maybe this particular bottle wasn't the best match for the opener. On the 3rd try I managed to open it. Only afterward I did remember the lever actually has an adjustment option, but by then I had already run out of unopened 330mm bottles to test it. For the 500mm bottles I switched the lever to the middle position and it worked perfectly on the first try. Here splashed everywhere, cap flew to the moon. That cutout is actually designed to help pull the bottle out more easily. As you did so, I didn't use it at first time. Base has hole, so spilled drink can drain out. It has adjustable feet with TPU base. This is probably the least practical bottle opener I tested today, but it might also be the most fun. If you noticed, I actually printed 11 different bottle openers. My favorite one from that list is one-hand bottle cap shooter. Fast print, fun to use and easy to change out wear down or broken pieces. So you can 3D print useful and also useless openers, some are more fun than practical. Fully 3D printed openers usually have a durability weak point. Since plastic is softer than metal bottle caps, the contact area tends to wear down over time. If you have access to a CNC mill, you can make custom metal bottle openers. That opener I made with Carvera Air. So that's it with bottle openers. Thanks for watching.